I love selling Avon because I am my own boss and I can set my own hours. I get to choose the amount of money that I want to make, and that's one of the reasons I love the business.
Call and a representative will help you get started.
I could never go back to work for someone else. I work around my children's schedules. I love being my own boss because who's going to fire me?
Be your own boss and start selling today.
I'm a teacher, and I needed something that would fit into my life. I gave my friends and family a brochure, and they saw things in the book that they just really, really wanted. I have peace of mind building something for the future.
It cost me so little to get started. I love the products. I love the opportunity to have financial freedom.
Once an Avon representative starts, there's no stopping her. What's stopping you? Call today and a representative will help get you started.
I'm 23 years old and I'm the CEO of my own company. How many people can say that?